My name is Dr. Emily Schwartz. I am a clinical dietitian specialist in Novi, Michigan. So my mom is a retired dietitian, so I grew up immersed in this world. She used to take our daughters to work day in the hospital, and so I always felt very comfortable in the hospital setting, and then the dietetics field always felt very familiar to me. And when I made the choice to go into dietetics in college and chose that as my major, she and I started attending the national conferences together, and I really enjoyed just kind of everything that dietetics had to offer. When I started my first job, my plan for my career had been to go into nutrition counseling because I like working one-on-one with people, but I kind of fell into nutrition support right away. That was the type of work that was available, and I fell in love with it immediately, and I have never left because nutrition support to me is so fascinating and it's so interesting. It's really touching to work with people who are going through some of these difficult moments in their life, and so I've really enjoyed working in nutrition support, and it's kind of become my career niche since then. But I also enjoy working with just other dietitians too, because we all have different niche areas of specialty expertise, and so I like to try to share my experience with others and learn from what others have experienced as well. I mean, I love working here in this hospital. I've been here for 15 years. It's such a wonderful place to be, and we have such an amazing team. We always have. The team here is so positive, and we work so well together, and so it makes coming into work easy and kind of fun because we get along so well. And also just getting to do the work that I do is really enjoyable. I love connecting with people, but I also love the scientific side of it too, so there's always something new to learn. And I love the collaboration aspect as well, so working with different disciplines, and I'm always learning from like my nursing partners and my pharmacy partner and our physician team members, and there's so much to learn that it makes coming to work every day interesting too. Well, if I were to pick a couple of words that describe me best and describe my life, it would probably be mom, mommy, mama. But if I were being completely honest, that's probably not exactly what we're looking for. If I were to pick a couple of different words, I would say, mom first and foremost. Between my husband and my kids, they are my son and what I revolve around and what my whole life revolves around. Beyond that, definitely dietitian. It's just my passion. Nutrition, especially nutrition support, is my passion in life, and I love this field. I love this career choice that I made. And then beyond that, I would actually say student. I love to learn, and I love to learn from my colleagues. I love to read and listen to podcasts and absorb knowledge, and I find that working in the medical field is so fascinating because you can learn something new every day. So I just feel like I'm going to be a lifelong student of the world and of this community. I think at this point, my favorite part of what I do on a day-to-day basis is just connecting with people, because after, I've been doing this for 17 years, and I've met so many different kinds of people, and it's really given me empathy to realize that we all come from such different walks of life and have so many different experiences, and that all of us at a point, we have all dealt with some sort of tragedy, some sort of hardship, and so trying to connect with people when they're going through some of those moments is really meaningful to me, and just trying to figure out some ways to make it a little bit easier. My name is Dr. Emily Schwartz. I'm a clinical dietitian specialist in Novi, Michigan, and I'm TouchPoint.